Hello grade 4, welcome back to term 2 of your music classes. We're going to do our best to cover as much as we can, even though we all have to be at home and we're not able to see you in person. So I hope that you will follow along with me as we read rhythms and as we work through our recorder pieces over the next month. Hopefully we'll be able to see you really soon, okay? Let's start with this first line of reading rhythms and remind ourselves the different notes that we have to count and count well. So we have the whole note, which is ta, ah. There's a half note, ta, ah. The quarter note, ta. The eighth note, 2 eighth notes, ti. And then we have the dotted half note, ta, ah, 3 beats. And this sequence over here, remember? Tum, ti. Okay, tum, ti. So that is a dotted quarter note followed by an eighth note. So tum, ti, ta, ah. Okay, so let's try and read this rhythm. If you notice, this is tum, ti, and this is ti, tum. So I know we did a lot of this in class, but now we're going to work with this sequence as well as this sequence. Alright, so notice that there's 4 beats in each bar. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Ta, ah, tum, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ti, tum, ta, Can we try that one more time? 3 and go. Ta, tum, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, Okay, let's try the second one. We don't have any T-tums on this one, or tum-tis, so it should be a lot easier. 3, go. Ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. Let's try that one more time. 3 and go. Ti, ta, ti, ta. Great. This is our recorder piece for this week. It has a lot of the tum-ti, and in that order, tum-ti. Okay, so the dotted quarter note followed by the eighth note. We might need to remind ourselves of some notes on the recorder before we play this, because we have low Ds and we have E's as well. So let's remember the different notes that we've learned so far and make sure that even our F sharp is played properly. I know we've had that confusion in class. So make sure your recorder is set up properly with your mouthpiece facing forward, and the sound hole needs to be aligned with all the other holes. Okay? Your left hand is going to be up, your right hand is going to be down, and make sure that your pinky, that this smaller section here is turned to the side so that your pinky is able to reach. So far we've learned B, A, G, C, high D, and then low D, E, and F sharp. Okay? So these are the notes that we've done so far, and that's how to cover the holes. So if we're to play this Muffin Man song, the melody might be very familiar to you, but let's try and make sure we get this rhythm correct. So let's read the rhythm first. Remember, we talked about the upbeat, the note starting on an upbeat, the song starting on an upbeat. So that means we start on the 4th beat. So if you count 1, 2, 3, ta, tum, ti, ta, tum, ti, ta, tum, ti ta, ta, tum, ti ta, ta, tum, ti. And I've said here you will sight read the last line, okay, of the song. You're gonna finish the song for yourself. Let's try and play these first few notes together. So the upbeat as well as this first measure here, the first full measure. So let's try it together. It starts on D, low D. 1, 2, 3. Okay, tum, ti. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go to this measure. So starting on the B. Ta, ta, tum, ti. Try that again. All right, let's go from the beginning until here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's finish up this first line. So it starts on E. Make sure you're holding E properly. So let's go from the beginning till here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go with line 2 now. It's not an entire line, so there's a lot less to work with. Remember our F sharp, make sure it's this, not this. Okay, 1, 2, go. Again, 3 and go. Let's finish the final measure. 3 and go. Okay, so it returns to the first melody that we had at the very beginning of the piece. So let's try and play the whole piece very slowly, because I think you'll learn this very fast, but I want you to learn how to play with the recorder this rhythm that we've been focusing on since last time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I really want you to finish this song for yourself. I believe that you can do it because the melody almost repeats itself. Okay, so you're going to play beginning to the end of this piece, and next week we'll pick up from there. All right, see you next week.